Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeho from Gamers Devices. Today I would like to introduce my new gaming machine. It's Lenovo T770. So it comes with two boxes. So mine came from Hong Kong. It says Hong Kong to Narita. I don't know where the production was made, probably somewhere in China. And maybe they sent this over to me from Hong Kong to Japan. So the box that I just opened, I realized that this is the outer box. And I have the original box that is actually the main brand box for Legion T770. Okay, let me pull out this baby first. This is the original brand box for Legion T770. Let me open this too. I also like these tapings. You know, it's very much aligned in the center where they printed logo on top of this plastic tape. Okay. My first impression when I compared this with OMEN series, it comes with a very solid protection system. This one, what is this? Okay, this is the power cord. And interesting. I don't know what this use is, but it's a power connect, the power cables. And now I already see this PC. So exciting. Take this thing out. Oh, this is all one. Okay, this is one big plastic form. And here we go, baby. Welcome to my house. Okay, I already see these two fans up here and with a button. And it looks better than I was expecting actually. So let me pull this out. So I took out the PC. Nothing special inside. So I will put this one back and close it for a while. All right. Oh. So this is glass panel over here. There's fan, and this one cannot be removed. Let's look at the front. You cannot really open this one without unscrew these 4 pins. And it's not easy. Probably you need a bigger one. Bigger screwdrivers. Okay, let me unease this one first. I'm afraid, you know, if I unscrew all of this panel will just fall down and I'll break it. So I have unscrewed 4 pins and trying to remove this, and it already has the warning sign here. I guess this cup sign means is fragile, right? It says when install or replace a component, needed to lay the mainframe flat and be maintained only by trained service technicians. Okay, so I shouldn't open like this, but I'm just go ahead and open it. Okay. So I ordered one, comes with RTX 3070. To be honest, 3080 was still so expensive. And this one looks like carbon, but it's not carbon, it's just plastic panel. I'm gonna remove this and let's take a look on the inside more clearly. So I removed screw, and you need to lift it up a little bit and then just take this thing out. And I see this radiator. Wow, this is 360 millimeter, which means 3 fans radiator for CPU. Wow, this is amazing. And they have put these 3 ventilations up on the top and one at the rear like this. This is quite different compared to OMEN 40L actually. And one thing that I have noticed was this guy. So can you guys tell what this is for? So you use this one when you want to install your GPU in a vertical way. So there is something called vertical mount, and you can pull this out and install here like this, and probably you do some kind of the installation setup using these 2 pins. Okay, now let me open the side. It's difficult to open in the beginning, as always. I need to unscrew a little bit. Same for the bottom. So let's look at the back panel. Okay, it has 2 slots for the small size of hard disk, and this is the mount for CPU. And the cable management is very clean. I'm very satisfied. And this is the extra hard disk that I ordered. This is the SATA connector. Interesting, they have this little dot, 2 dots and 1 dot. I guess 1 dot means for the first hard drive, and probably the 2 dot means for the second one. Okay, this is something that you can just pull like this when you want to take off. Let's see which brand they used. Okay, they used the Seagate desktop HDD. Wow, nowadays this HDD is so slim. Let me compare with the old one that I bought 10 years ago. Okay, so this is hard disk drive that I bought 10 years ago. Look at the thickness. So the newer version of hard disk drive is very thin. You know, you can even tell from here, right? Okay. And this one, you know, I said you use the smaller size of a hard disk drive. Just in case you guys have not seen what the smaller size of hard disk drive is, there is drive looks like this. This is 2.5 inches, whereas this is the I believe this is 5.2 inches. Okay, so look at the size, right? So the bigger guys, you know, goes in here with a mount, and the smaller one is to get installed in here. So anyways, in summary, you can install 2 hard drives and 2 hard drives, so 4 hard drives in total. Okay, and now I'm going to remove this front panel to see more details of what types of fans they have installed. I think I just need to pull the thing off like this. Yeah, see. Yeah, I just did, and it wasn't easy. You needed some power to do it, and I'm so afraid if I end up with breaking all of these I/O connectors and USB connectors. Okay. Okay, in order to remove this one, you actually need to remove this whole thing. Okay, so let me do that now. So I removed this I/O connector from this guy. This is the I/O connector, and it's hooked up somewhere like this, but we can still remove this by bit, I guess. Oh, this, and the top dust panel, this one, in order to remove that, inside there is it's difficult to see, a little pin. You just need to push those pin towards the outside of this case. And just pull. See, this is the guy that I was trying to show. So you just pull like this, push and pull. Okay. This is one thing I also like about this area. You know, now they install 2 fans, right? But if you squeeze these fans a bit of this inside or this way, you can actually install 1 more fan, I bet. See, but I guess they didn't do it for their the budget point of view, I guess. It has enough clearance in here to actually install this fan up in here. So after I use this for a while, if I think this radiator should be installed on top over here, as I said, hot air goes up, so it's better to install the radiator up here, right? And then probably I will try to reinstall this one in here, probably up in here. But one thing that I kind of don't like about this PC is this memory card, which Dell does the same. You know, OMEN, they put here's my OMEN. So OMEN, they put, you know, HyperX RGB enabled memory card, but in here they just put the regular one. But here's the thing, you know, like these guys, HP and Lenovo, they think because actually this memory has higher clock speed. OMEN's 40L's clock speed is 3700 33, but this one is 4300 something. So this one has this one is actually the faster memory than the one is OMEN is using. So and it has a dust cover under here for the power supply unit. So I have installed this baby and it's running pretty okay, and I was able to change these colors for ARGB fans, and it was very easy to change colors, but it didn't give me lots of options as much as OMEN 40L does. But what I did was I put bluish colors at front and top, and inside I put red colors, so you know you can feel this PC is beating, you know, the heart is beating, right? I'm gonna post another video after comparing this with my OMEN 40L, but even before I comparing this with OMEN 40L, what I can say is this PC is very quiet, and one of the reason being is due to this 3 fans supported AIO cooling system for the CPU. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed me, please subscribe my channel. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.